Okay guys, gonna install some new brake pads on the front of this Jeep here this morning. Gonna go ahead and take off the wheel, guys. Bunch of snow out here. Have the new brake pads right here. Go ahead and back off this. Back off the wheel. Now we take the wheel off. Let's go ahead and back out these two bolts around here. Take this off. So I'll go ahead and pull these two bolts here. I'm gonna grease them. So take them out and grease them. And just pull on this and take it out like that. Pick it up here. I use the old brake pad and send this piece in. It's really done. Wow. So right here we're gonna use that and push that in. This one should be worse. So just get something like this from Harbor Freight or anywhere and just turn it. Not gonna push in the cylinder. So you can always replace these pins, but I guess these people didn't get any, so gonna use them back. Just put some grease on the tip here, grease these places, then we're gonna grease those and put them back in. So I just grease them and push them back in, guys. Two new ones. So then you can just go ahead and just hold this and put it back down over there now, just like that. Then we're gonna catch back the bolt them up here, grease them and put them back in. Right here. So I just go ahead and tighten back the bolts them. That's it. This side is done. Put the wheel back on, go on the other side. Same process. When you finish with the brake, guys, start up the car. Make sure you pump up the brake before you move. Check the brake fluid in the bottle in the hood and all that.